The clerk will read the names of the next pair.
Mr. Cassidy, Ms. Collins.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that you will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic? That you bear true faith and allegiance to the same? That you take this obligation freely, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion? And that you will well and faithfully discharge the duties of the office upon which you're about to enter, so help you God?
I do.
Congratulations, Senator.
Thank you.